Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to Tech with Bumi. Are you seeing my face for the first time? I talk about digital marketing and tips on how to grow your businesses. So in today's video, I'll be giving you important reasons why you should put your business online. Are you struggling with your business? And is your business not moving the way you want it? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a small business owner? Then this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's go straight to the video. As we all know, the world is going digital, and before you know it, everything we do is just going to be digital. Even the car we drive is going to be digital. There will be a stage that there won't be you won't be using gas or fuel for your vehicle again. So I'll encourage us to watch this video to the end. I'll encourage us to watch this video to the end if you want to improve on your business. Okay? So before we continue, quickly press the like button. So our topic will be on the importance of putting our business online. I won't make it too long. I'll just be giving us like 3 to 4 tips. Okay? So now, number one tip and the most important thing is to have a website. Do you have a website for your business? If you don't have, every business owner, no matter how small your business is, you must have a website for your business. Even if it's just a one-page website. In some of my videos that I did, you can create your website in different ways. I've done several videos, right? I'll be linking it somewhere here, or you see it at the end of the video, right? I did a video on GetResponse, how they introduce you can build your website using GetResponse. If you don't know what GetResponse is, it's an email marketing service provider. Okay, you can check my video. Then you can also build your website on Canva. Canva is a very interesting app. Okay, if you don't have the if you don't have Canva on your phone, there's in my description, you will see an affiliate link there. You click on it and you register for free for your Canva app and start building your website. There's a demo I did on my video also. I'm going to be linking it here. And if you still don't want to do it yourself, you want to outsource it, you can outsource it, and you get it at a token. Okay. And another way to have a website is you can have a Shopify store. You can have a Shopify store. And even if you don't have another website, another way I can encourage, if you are not in, because they are very choosy, you can check if your country is available for it. You can put your product on st.com. Okay, it's also a website that is a shop, a website you can also display your products. Okay, so there are different ways to have a website, because I've been getting responses that I don't have a website because it's too expensive to have a website. And to get a domain name is not easy. If you want to get a domain name, you can comment below. I have a partnership. I will be doing a separate video on that. Okay, I have a partnership with Namecheap. Okay, and getting a domain name is so cheap. Domain name and hosting is so cheap and very friendly, and you pay yearly. You subscribe. If you subscribe for it now with your little token, and the next time you're going to upgrade to secure your domain name is in another year. So what are you talking about? Then you start building your website. You can build it through WordPress. You can build it through a lot of services. You can build it through Wix. You can build it through WordPress. So what are you talking about? So it is important to put your business online. And the next one on my list is social media. When you put your content on your website, you create your website, you make it beautiful, you make it attractive, you put pictures and all that. The next thing is to have a social media platform. And how do you have a social media platform? That different social media platform is not a must. You should put yourself in all social media platform. Okay, it's not a must. You should put your business on all social media platform. I'm repeating myself. You just need to choose the one the one that is comfortable for you and your customers. You can decide to have 2 or 3 social media, either Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Okay, just try to be comfortable with the social media you're using, and make sure you post regularly valuable content. You post on your social media and be truthful to your customers. Okay, so after you finish building your website, you can, because of the social media that you opened for your business, okay, you can decide to run an advert through paid adverts. Okay, you can decide to run an advert to boost your website and to get new customers. Okay, and you will start seeing the demographics. You will start seeing people sending you message if you do your social media advertising very well. If you need help, you can send me a message. Okay, if you do your social media marketing very well, you can do your social media advertisement, and you can start getting emails, you can start getting sales. You can wake up in the morning and you start receiving alerts on your phone, people making orders for the product of your website, and you'll be like, oh, why didn't I have a website since all these days? You know what? This is a good business. You make millions on your website, and make sure you have a very strong SEO. What do I mean by SEO on your website? That's called search engine optimization. Okay, so the one on my final list, which is the third one, is Google My Business. Google My Business. Okay? Google My Business. For Christ's sake, if you are not on Google My Business, then your business is sleeping. You know what? Do you know how many people that go to Google to search for anything? For example, I want an air condition, and I want an air condition store in Regina. It will bring out all air conditions company. Or okay, this I'm wearing on my head is from Asuke turban. Okay, I can decide that, okay, I love this turban on my hair and I want to purchase it, and I go on Google and I press, I need turban sellers in Otairu, and you see the list of people. It's called it's called local businesses, for small businesses. Another way to have it, and it's a form of a website. Do you know the goodness on Google My Business? There is a place where you can display your products, my tech lovers. There's a place where you can display your products, and There's a place where you can even tell your customers to put reviews. That's when you can use Google My Business for the main time before you decide to build your proper website. Okay, it's another way to rank yourself on Google. And with that, I have good news for you. You have to book for your listing. If you want me to help you with your Google My Business listing, there's a link in the description below. You book. It's very affordable. Okay? You book for your product to be listed on Google My Business. We have the standard rate and we have the premium rate. So you choose your choice and you start receiving messages. You start receiving messages. You start receiving messages. So I hope this video you gained something from it. Please don't forget to give me that like button to encourage me. Give me that like button. I like button. Give me that like button. And if you're watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe and join the tech family. So in my next video, I'm going to be giving us another interesting tutorial on Canva. Okay, I'm giving us another tutorials on Canva. So watch out for it and stay blessed. See you in my next video.